Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This alpha ceiling fan customer called me. It's working very slow, spinning slow. So let's see what is the problem actually. So let me turn it on. Then let's see actually how is it spinning. So yeah, dear viewers, it's spinning very slow. It's not enough the speed. So after that, dear viewers, there are three screws. Just remove the screws. Then after that, I have removed the screws. So I have removed the connector also. Then after I remove the connector, then I have seen that capacitor has gone. See, this capacitor has blown. So I have to change this capacitor. So this capacitor was around 2 microfarad. So I have changed the capacitor. I fixed there. So before I fix all the screws, so just let's test it. So dear viewers, I have for testing I didn't put the screws. So alhamdulillah, now it's spinning very good. Speed is very good. So now I can fix all the screws. So after I fix the screws, video will be back. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, I fixed the screws. So alhamdulillah, now see this problem, it was for only capacitor. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.